Septuagint Psalm 50, verse 4. Epipleon, plunon me, apates anamiasmu, kai apates hamartiasmu, katharison me. Translation: more than thoroughly wash me from my lawlessness, and from my sin cleanse me. Now, just like we saw in verse 3, this verse is structured around two aorist active imperatives. Plunon from pluno, and katharison from katharizo. But I want to focus on two things. Firstly, this phrase epipleon, and secondly, the accent marks on two sets of words. This construction, epipleon, functions adverbially. That is, it's adding information specifically about the verb, pluno. Now this word pleon comes from the adjective palus, or in the neuter, palou. Here, palou is accusative singular and comparative in form, where it has third declension endings and where the diphthong epsilon iota sometimes appears as just an epsilon. With the comparative sense, pleon means something like by far, but here it's used substantively to mean something like the greater part. In this case, epi means something like more than, or greater than, or over, so that the phrase epipleon as a whole conveys the idea more than thoroughly. As for accent marks, in this verse, like many others in the psalm, we get a number of enclitics. Enclitics are words that are both unemphatic and unaccented, but they affect the accentuation of the preceding word in various ways. With hamartias, because there's an acute accent on the penultimate syllable, the enclitic pronoun mu gets no accent mark. We see the same thing here with anamias, where mu also has no accent mark. As for the verb plunon, we have two accent marks. And in this case, the circumflex on the penultimate syllable creates a second accent, here an acute, on the final syllable. With the word katharison me, the acute accent on the antepenultimate syllable also produces an acute accent on the ultimate syllable.